Which stablecoin has now been delisted off of Coinbase? Did Binance actually move $1.8 billion worth of their user funds? And what is the real issue here? Also, what is the new limit for staking Ethereum? Can you stake all of your Ethereum right now? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video. If you guys enjoy these updates, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Check out the CT Club down below to know where we are staking our Ether, which stablecoins we are holding, and which coins we are buying right now in preparation for the next bull run. If you want to know all that stuff, you have to check out the CT Club. I highly recommend it. So first off, Coinbase held a survey that is saying 20% of Americans that have exposure to crypto are now saying that they need an upgrade to the financial system. Now, I don't know about you, but I spent a little bit of time in college, and the first things I learned in my statistics class is that 87% of all statistics are made up, not to mention all the fallacies of surveys. Do we really think that Coinbase has interviewed and surveyed the entire US population? I don't think so. This is probably skewed, but the silver lining here is that people are possibly finally waking up to the realities of the traditional financial system and the solutions that cryptocurrencies provide, and there needs to be a change, and cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin are that change? I think so. What else has Coinbase done in the meantime? They have delisted BUSD, probably coming from this new case from the SEC against Paxos, specifically targeting BUSD, even though Paxos also is a custodian and manager of other stablecoins. It seems there's a bit of a witch hunt coming out about Binance. And speaking of Binance, yet again, there's the story that we broke a couple weeks ago saying that they had potentially moved wrongfully or secretively $1.8 billion worth of user funds. CZ is denying this. He's also blaming Forbes as being yet another example of how Forbes is a poor excuse of journalism. Full disclosure here is that anyone can basically pay to be a writer on Forbes, so they're not exactly trying to have the highest level of journalistic input. But also, the blaring obviousness is that Binance has the ability to move $1.8 billion worth of user funds. Whether they did or didn't, they could. And that is the fallacy of centralized exchanges. That's why whenever you can, if you're not trading your cryptocurrencies, get them off that exchange and into a wallet that you control. A hardware wallet is a great option for you. Lastly, there's been news breaking about Lido Finance. If you want to learn more about Lido Finance, what we think about it and how it actually works, just search crypto tips, Lido Finance, they'll pop up. They have now initiated a 24-hour daily limit of staking 150,000 Ethereum. Pretty big daily limit. I don't think that's going to be much of an issue for most of us normal people. But if you're a whale out there and you want to be staking your Ethereum and get a lot of rewards, there's this daily limit because it will basically help cushion creating too much liquid ETH, staked Ethereum, basically tokens that Lido issues. When you stake Ethereum, you're issued STF. In placing this daily limit on people, it helps prevent negative effects like diluted rewards for those who are already staking. They're trying not to flood the market with these liquidity tokens, basically. So now you've been warned. If you guys enjoy these videos, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow.